Look up at the night sky. The stars seem calm, peaceful, and eternal, but the universe is far from quiet. Galaxies, those massive collections of stars, gas, and dust, are constantly moving. And one day, in the distant future, our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, might crash into another giant galaxy called Andromeda. But what would happen if this cosmic collision occurred? First, let's put it in perspective. Galaxies are enormous. The Milky Way contains around 200 billion stars. Andromeda? Even bigger, about 1 trillion stars. Yet even with all that mass, the space between stars is so vast that when galaxies collide, most stars won't actually crash into each other. Imagine two enormous fleets of airplanes passing through the night sky, weaving past one another without ever touching. But while stars might not collide, gravity would still create chaos. The Milky Way and Andromeda would pull and stretch each other. Stars, gas clouds, and planets could be flung into new orbits. Massive clouds of gas would smash together, igniting bursts of new stars. These stellar fireworks would light up the galaxies in spectacular colors for millions of years. And what about Earth? Could we survive such a collision? Most likely, yes. Our sun and solar system might move into a completely new region of the newly formed galaxy. It might be darker in some places, brighter in others, but life on Earth would probably continue, assuming humans are still around billions of years from now. Here's the amazing part. This collision will take billions of years, so no one alive today needs to worry. By the time it happens, the universe itself will have changed in countless other ways. Scientists even predict that the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into a giant elliptical galaxy, sometimes nicknamed Milkomeda. Now imagine witnessing the skies during this cosmic dance. Streams of stars arcing across the heavens, nebulae lighting up like fireworks, and new star clusters forming from gas clouds colliding. It would be one of the most breathtaking sights in the universe. And here's the deeper reflection. The fact that galaxies move, collide, and create new stars in such a precise, orderly way is astonishing. Despite all this chaos, the universe follows the laws of physics so perfectly that life can exist on planets like Earth. This balance and harmony remind us that the universe is not random. It is part of the amazing design of God, the creator of everything. So the next time you looked up at the Milky Way stretching across the night sky, remember our galaxy is alive, moving, and destined for a spectacular cosmic dance billions of years from now. A dance designed by a creator who made the universe both vast and beautifully ordered.